Well, guys, I think the Audi's transmission just went out. I started this morning and it was shaking kind of bad, but then it idled perfectly fine after that. And I drove it, dropped my sister off at work, and now I'm stuck in the Kroger parking lot. And the car it'll drive, but then it stutters and it's shaking kind of bad. So I think it's definitely the transmission that went out. It's been on borrowed time this whole time. It was supposed to last long enough until I got another car, but then this COVID stuff happened and all of that, and it's just been a pretty rough year thus far. But I can't be mad at the car. It's 251,000 miles on it now. But the timing, it's just, I don't know. So I gotta get it towed back to the house. Can kind of hear it. So that may be the end of the Audi, guys, because the transmission costs entirely too much for this car brand new. And I don't know if I can use it. It's getting to the point where it costs more to do that than the actual car's worth. So this may be an ending to the Audi saga. The tow truck is on the way, and I'll definitely include that footage of the car on the back of the trailer, because everybody likes seeing that. Not really, but yeah. Been on borrowed time. Like I said earlier, I should have been in a situation where it wouldn't bother me as much, but COVID happened, and it's been rough. It's been a rough year, y'all. But we're still here. We're still breathing. So we're just gonna pray and keep pushing forward, or keep moving forward, as TJ says. So yeah, I guess. Hey, I'm just gonna say on the bigger and better things, because I'm pretty sure its transmission is out, and I just don't want to spend the money to do that. But it just may have to be where I do until I'm able to actually afford something else. But we're still here, guys. We're still here. So it is now 5:12 p.m. The 22nd, and tow truck is still not here yet. It's been about 2 hours. They told us about 2 hours, and we still out here. And it would happen on the coldest day thus far. I'm over it. But I'm gonna tell you now, I really want a LX 470, preferably a 06 or 07. I really want that truck badly. That would be nice, but I want my race car first, and then my SUV daily type truck.
One eternity later.
Well, guys, a whole 4.5 hours later, the tow truck is finally here. I thought it was that tow truck over there. I was like, I know that ain't gonna work. Right there.
You must want to go viral.
You can go straight over there in that corner over there. Alright, so I am back home. The car got dropped off, as you saw. I'm probably going to get it towed or drive it to, I don't know, or just get it over to this shop called Wolfsburg in Memphis on Summer Avenue. A lot of the Audi guys have mentioned it and recommended it. So I decided I'd try it and let them be the bearer of bad news, because I already know it's probably 9, I'll say 8 out of 10, it's going to be the transmission. It could be something else, something smaller, hopefully, but just the way those issues, like the stuttering, the vibration, and it was not really going anywhere when you gave it any gas. It wasn't, the throttle was pretty much dead. So, I mean, signs are showing transmission to me, but I'll let them be the bearer of the bad news, like I said. But this could potentially be the end of the end of the A6. As we know it, per se. Or I could just bite the bullet and just get a new transmission, get it rebuilt. I don't know. There's so many pros and cons to doing that. Because at this point, I mean, obviously with 251,000 miles on a German car that wasn't limited or anything like that, it's not really worth doing it. But given the circumstances, it's like, okay, I don't know. But yeah, appreciate you watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can come up, hopefully in the next video I have some better news to explain about the car. But yeah, remember, guys, if you're not living your life, then what life are you living? Peace out.